Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this electric man with these lightning connected with the hand and some lightning hitting his body from the ground, or you can say from his body hitting the ground. So that's cool. So let's start this tutorial. So this is because these days I'm just working on lightning and I just copied this entire effects from my previous tutorial, and that is if you'll go to my CGHOW channel, and this lightning, interactive lightning connected with the legs then hitting the ground. I just copied this entire system and paste it here. This is the entire system and connected with the hand instead of legs, and same I duplicated, and these blue one hitting the ground from the body. But how this is taking the random point from the body, because to link with the hand it's easy, you just need to connect with the bones. But if this blue lightning taking the full body randomly, how you will do that? So you will learn that, although I just duplicate the effect from here, and you can download this file also. You can also download this file. I'll provide this on my Patreon, and let's start this. So let's say I have a new map, okay, new level, and I have this animation and the material is flickering also.